Jake here for American Trucks, and today I am looking at this Range Technology Active and Dynamic Fuel Management Disabler for 2007 and newer Silverado 1500s, excluding the 2019 and newer V8 models with the 10-speed transmission. GM's Active or Dynamic Fuel Management Cylinder Deactivation System has been a point of contention since its introduction, and there's been a large number of Silverado owners who have gone out of their way to disable the system. Normally that requires some modification or tuning to deactivate and get the engines to run on all cylinders all the time. However, Range Technology now has this easy plug-and-play module that will deactivate the system with next to no fuss. So if you want an easy workaround to AFM or DFM that won't require any modification, this is going to be very appealing to you. Now, as you can see, this is a pretty small little module, and all it does is plug into the OBD2 port underneath of your dash. This is not a tuner, and it's not a programmer, so there are a few things that it does, or rather doesn't do, that make it appealing if you're not looking to make any permanent or major modifications to your truck. First of all, it does not reprogram your ECU in any way, and if you unplug it, the truck will return to factory settings without any input or reprogramming from you. So it's not going to throw any codes or cause any check engine lights because it's not modifying any coding within the PCM. So this would be an excellent choice if you have a warranty on your truck, or if you just aren't interested in tuning it. The idea here is that it just makes the truck run in full cylinder mode all the time. This is going to keep it from shutting down the 4 cylinders while you're cruising or under low throttle input, so you're going to enjoy an uninterrupted flow of power. Take a look at what our customers have to say as well, as this has been pretty highly rated overall. It's a great way to get around the hassle of AFM or DFM without any permanent or expensive modifications. And not running that system can also help save some wear and tear on your engine components in the long run. This little module is going to run you around $250. Now, while that's not exactly cheap, it is a really clever solution, and it far undercuts the cost of a tuner, which would be your other main option if you wanted to delete or disable AFM or DFM. And again, if you can save the wear and tear or just aggravation that cylinder deactivation may cause, I think this is well worth it. Now, as far as install goes, it really could not be any easier. This is a very soft 1 out of 3 on the difficulty meter, and it shouldn't take you more than a few minutes to get it installed and get back on the road. There's not much else to say here, so to show you how to get this done, let's throw it over to one of our AT customers who's going to install it on their Silverado.
So this here is your Range Technologies plugin. It just deletes your active fuel management system, which drops your V8 to a V4. It's a pretty simple install. You just come down here into your OBD port, and as soon as those lights start flashing, you know it's good to go.
That's going to do it for our review and install of the Range Technology Active and Dynamic Fuel Management Disabler for 2007 and newer Silverado 1500s. Thanks so much for watching, and as always, for everything Silverado, be sure to stick with us right here at AmericanTrucks.com.